All right, Kima. Let's try a little Baoju Jiao Fu Ignite. What do you think? Can we win at this one?
Yes.
It's got 4 firecrackers. It's 4 times the fun.
Would you like
I don't remember.
Nichols 250?
That's a lot, but let's do it.
For spin pop.
Always do this for me, okay?
Yes.
All right. Take a mini.
Come on, bonus. Now. Stop now.
I don't know. We gotta slow it down.
Come on, bird. Pow.
Oh, that would have been a good one to get.
Come on, bird. Bonus. Double. Double.
Your voodoo doesn't work. Try $2.
Come on, bonus, please. Now, bird.
Oh,
Come on, check the power. Double power, please. Now. Pow, pow, pow.
damn.
Double.
What the heck?
Come on, chip it. Yes. Chip it. Pow, pow, pow.
4.
Get it.
4, but you only got the bird. But we'll take it.
Feature.
All right. It's not a triple. That's a quadruple, they call it. A quad.
Come on. Pow. Simple.
What the heck?
Come on now. Simple. Pow. Thank you.
What's that?
Chip
Oh
it.
boy, that's a lot of rockets. Did you get any with all them rockets? Wow.
Come on, simple. Pow.
You can do this. I know you can.
Simple. Pow. Oh my God. Chip
All
it.
right. 4. 3.
Double up.
All you got was one little row. Come on. Ignite
Simple.
something.
Pow.
Oh,
Are you
no.
doing?
I'll try.
Come on, please. Simple. Simple.
Oh no, Kima. You gotta get one. All right. At least the bird came back with $1. It's only a $1 bird poop.
One more. Pow. Simple, please. Simple.
No. Really?
Chip it.
Phew. That one had me sweating.
Simple, please.
Come on,
Please,
honey.
please.
Come on,
Simple,
baby.
simple, simple, simple. Oh my God.
Big one, bird. It's only $1. This isn't any money. Please don't stop. It stopped. Well, at least he came back with a $4. That's no money. $19. Oh, these games, they make me crazy. So where are we at? It doesn't look good, but should we stay here? You know what? I'm going to try a little bit of jasmine to fill them up. I know you hate that, but it might work. Go to $1 bet and you pop it. Well, all right.
Extra
Take
feature.
whatever we can get right now. Yep. Yep, that's $2.
Do it.
You got the
Pow.
bird and the extra.
Simple. Thank you. Pow.
Now we're gonna get the zone boost. Nope.
Come on, so
love that bird. Gives us money.
Ship. Thank you.
Good that one.
Double round is good. Come on, double round. How? Don't boost. Ship. How? Don't boost.
Double up.
Come on, please. Ship. Would you burger vacation? Jeopardy, please. Pop, pop, pop. Come on, burger. Don't boost.
Long boost.
Thank you.
Good bird.
Ship. How? Ship.
Still tiny money. Pennies, but
Better than nothing.
yeah, anything will help.
Yes.
More ammo. You
Come
could
on,
fill
ship.
it up and get the grand.
Ship, ship, yes.
You've been doing that a lot on a $1 bet.
Big
Hey,
one.
20
Yes.
bucks. That's a great bird now. All right.
Come on,
Love
ship.
those birds.
Ship, ship. Pop.
Do a couple more of those 20s, bird.
Come on, ship, please. Ship. Pop. Ship. Here. Yes. More.
Doesn't really matter where they drop it. It's worth the same no matter what. But let's get another 20 though.
Ship. Pop. Ship, ship. One more.
It's over. Well, and $5. It's not terrible. Way better than the first bonus. Really good. Okay. Not bad for $1. And we started with 50 and now we're up. I think all the firecrackers are empty though. Right?
Don't matter.
No, you're right. But it does. But it doesn't. So let's see. 86 bucks. 87 bucks. We still got the zone boost. I like that one, huh?
Yes.
I'm gonna try to fill them up a little like that.
Yes.
'Cause, you know,
Don't boost. Yes. Ship, please. Double out. Don't boost, please.
we'll raise the bet in a minute. If I don't go and pop something again. Oh,
Don't boost. No power.
I think this is a bad machine now, but I don't know.
Come out of
Just give it a minute, okay? Give it a minute. Don't get so impatient.
here. Come on, bonus. Give me don't boost. Come on.
I don't want to pop it right now. I'm just trying to get some firecrackers lit up
Ship, please.
so you can play a little bigger. Ready? We're going to give it a little bit. We'll go to 50, okay? Maybe you
Come on,
can do
ship.
it.
Pop. Don't boost, please.
Not a good start.
Come on.
Even a worse start.
No.
Right.
Pop.
I thought you were going to get it. But I always think you're going to get it. Last spin. We didn't get it. You ready?
Yeah.
You can do it.
Squid. Double round.
Oh, you want to keep going?
Do it.
lose anywhere. Doesn't matter where we lose. See what I mean? Jelly bean? I just wish it did it when we were on nickels.
Ultra feature.
Come on, sip, pop. Sip. Chubby.
right,
Double
get a
up.
couple
Please. Yes.
Need that $20 bird to come back.
Come on, sip, pop. Sip. Double, please.
Pop something, honey. $1. We want the $20 bird.
Do it.
All right.
Double up.
All right. Zombies.
Give me those.
Give us something. We need some more
Sip,
money.
pop.
Honey. Get the money, honey. Uh-oh. One more try. You can do this. Kimaslots. I knew it.
Pop, 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 pop.
Extra spins.
Sit.
I try, okay?
Yeah.
It didn't let me Boomba stop in the bonus, I guess.
Sip, pop.
You gotta get it.
Get it.
You didn't get it. Well, the dollar bet's giving us some activity, but we just don't win very much on it. But that $45 one was okay.
Come on, please. Pop, pop, pop.
Couple more, I guess, huh? 50 will hit the road. I
Come on,
don't know. I
bonus.
really wanted to get a good bonus, but all right, hold on. You got one spin. Let's do it. Good one, okay? Pop all four. It didn't work. Maybe.
Double up.
Nope.
9999. Sure. Pop.
Not exactly 999, but
Yes,
you got your $50 back. You done?
Yeah.
Really?
Is that?
Are you done?
Yeah. You think?
What'd we start with here?
50.
All right, keep going. We didn't lose anything. Now we're going to get the double up.
Do it.
Oh,
Come on, Jongus.
thought you were going to get it.
Come on now.
Well, that's good.
Jongus, please.
Whenever your uncle comes to town, you get a little money.
Pop.
All right. That looks pretty good.
Come on,
$10.
bonus. Do it. Pop. Come on, give me a bonus, please.
There's that Kima bonus Scott's always talking
Come
about.
on, yes. Chippity pop.
Yes.
Pop, pop, pop.
Oh, I can't believe that didn't give you one.
Come on,
All
mini.
right, we'll take
Pop.
a minute. Not.
Come on, bonus.
All right. Oh, only
Come
one.
on, give me a bonus.
We got to get a good bonus on this machine. Maybe we should go to dimes and $5, but we don't have a sheet. I want want the double and the zone boost now. Why can't we get those?
Come on, bonus.
Double up has always been a tough one for us, but
Yes.
we got it like once or twice, but I don't like doing fast stops at 250, but
Double boost. Do it. Down.
oh yeah. Well, my least favorite, but maybe you'll pop another one with it, huh?
Yes.
This gives you 4 spins. 4 tries instead of 3. Pow, there it is.
How? Safe. Triple. Safe one.
This is nickels, but you gotta get some. I know you're trying.
Safe. How? Triple.
All right. Hey,
Yeah. Triple. How?
honey. 1,000 nickels is 50 bucks, and that's 25. All right, we're doing it.
How? Don't boost.
Oh, do it again.
Don't boost.
Oh,
One more.
we got 4 tries.
How? Safe. How? Don't boost,
Alright.
please.
Let's get a zone boost. I really want the double up. Double those thousands.
Safe. How? Burn.
All right. Pow. No pow.
Safe. How?
Come on, baby. Kima.
Safe. How? Safe.
Can I try one? Maybe my fingers are lucky. Here we go. Hamana.
Safe. Hamana.
Oh, Hamana's broken. You gotta do this one.
Safe. Middle. How? Safe.
Well, it's over 100, so I'm pretty happy. Nice. Oh, those are all ready to pop on the neighbor's machine. Well, all right, how you feeling now? You're glad we didn't leave, right?
Yeah.
Me too.
You're safe.
Sometimes, what do you always tell me? You gotta listen to Kima. Well, sometimes,
Listen to you.
never listen to me. It's okay. I'm used to it. All right. Let's see. We got $144 now almost. You think I still want that double up in the zone boost,
Yeah,
but I
do
don't.
it. Yeah.
250 is
Yes.
tough.
Yes.
We're gonna lose it. But I guess if we get to 100, we still made 50, right?
Do it. Down.
Can't win if you
Zone
don't
boost.
try.
Come on, please.
I usually don't like that extra spins, but that one was pretty damn good to us.
How?
It's almost the same bet.
Come on, bonus.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that ball. Oh, I thought you were going to get it.
Yes.
$100 green one. Come on.
Come on, bonus. Nichols.
Oh, boy.
Do it, please. Do it.
That should be automatic when you get 3 of them. With a $10, oh no, the $20 minor. All right, you got $24, $25 to get this, honey. Do your thing. It's not doing your thing. Go
Come on,
ahead.
bonus. Yes, ha.
Oh my. Oh no.
Come on, Burr.
You said nickels. You got 2 spins.
Come on. Bonus.
I think we're in trouble. Alright. We made $50. That's not enough.
Minor, ha, come on.
Oh no. That was a $50 minor.